Hi. Hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I enjoy what I do and I love your support. So go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button if you'd like. And we will get to this video. All right, so something different, and I have been a very naughty girl because I'm trying not to spend a lot of money, and yet we had some fun Labor Day sales and I just couldn't resist. I have this big box I got, and I am going to share what I got. It's down here. Eek. Okay, so one of my favorite designers, I just love her, and I try to get when I can get in it. I don't ever pay full price. I can't afford that, but when I can get a good sale, I've even gotten some things on like eBay and Mercari and of this brand, but this came from Kate Spade store. The first thing I'm going to show is a purse. I got to open it up here. It's a little something different. I got something with a print, and I just kept seeing this print, and I just kept thinking, I really like that. I just really like that. Arizona is known for its orange blossoms, especially in the spring, and they smell delicious, and I just always love them. So I got a purse with orange blossoms and oranges. This is not the cutest thing. Okay, I just think it's so cute. It also has a crossbody strap. See what's inside. Unpackage it here, yay. Okay, so I'm zipping it. And let's pull all this fun stuff out. It does have a strap. It's attached in here. It's just the same strap as this. So I can do it as a crossbody, which I like. And then inside it's just one. It's pretty big inside. It just has, I don't know if you can see in there. It has a side pocket. It's just open. I love the size. I think it's just perfect. It's not super big, but it's not like really small either. So I'm just so excited, you guys. I think this is the cutest thing. And this was like way discounted. They had, I think they were calling it a 70% off plus an extra 20% or something like that. So anyway, there's that. Fun. Item number one. I have 3 more things in here, if you can believe it. Okay, this comes in a cute box like this. Do you guys think it's another purse? What do you think it is? Okay, it's not a purse. It's something I've never purchased from Kate Spade, I don't think. But I got some winter shoes. You know I'm a shoe girl. And I just thought these were so cute. Look at this cute polka dot paper in here. The packaging is just incredible, you guys. I'm just going to pull one out to show you. It's a winter boot, kind of. Booty shoe. And it's got the Kate Spade logo right there. I love them because they zip, so they're easy to get on and off. I just hope they fit. I ordered up like a half a size because some people said they ran a little small, and I wanted to make sure if I wanted to wear socks with them, it'd be okay. So anyway, there's the shoe. I don't know if anyone else loves it like I do, but I just think this is so cute. And it's really good quality. And these were, they were really, really good price. So they were over 200 and I spent just over 100, I think. So, I mean, yeah, it's pricey. Don't think I've ever spent that much on a pair of shoes in my life, to be honest with you. I've always been cheap when it comes to shoes. And they've always done me well. And sometimes I don't care if I get cheap shoes because I like shoes so much that it's fun to buy more. So, but this one, I think, I told my husband, I'm like, this is going to last forever. He goes, no, you'll wear them once or twice. And I said, but they'll last every year. And so we'll see. Because I know in Arizona, we don't wear really warm. This has to be warm weather or cool weather shoe. But anyway, really like it. So, and the packaging was fabulous. So the next thing I have here is, I got a necklace. I do have a lot of Kate Spade jewelry. I like her jewelry. And this is just a really dainty, a very dainty, can you see that? The heart right there. So it's kind of a rose gold. So anyway, I try to put it on, but I'm not sure I'll get it on. I'm really bad at putting on necklaces. Oh, it's so cute. It even has on back here on the, look at that little diamond on the clasp. It's just too cute. Every little detail here has the Kate Spade, the spade on here. Okay, I'm not just showing the front, but I gotta show the back too here. There's do you see the Kate Spade? Too cute. Okay, because of that, because I spent over $100, I got a free item. And this is another, these are actually orange blossoms too, but they just don't have the oranges. But it's just a Kate Spade. You can see the logo there. It's just like a duffel bag. So it's actually really, there's actually a lot of room in here. You could probably fit a lot of stuff in here. So it's fun, and it folds down to really, it's real thin. So you could take it with you somewhere. In fact, I might take this with me to Hawaii when we go next month. Because it can be real compact, and yet it can carry like a lot of stuff. So that was the last item. So I had fun, my Kate Spade shopping little shopping haul. I don't do that very often. So that was fun. I hope you liked it. Tell me what you think in the comments. And I guess that's it for today. I do want to mention my giveaway that's happening. You need to go to the all pink Temu haul video. I'll put a link up here. The instructions are on that video down below. If you want to enter, you still have a couple of weeks. And let's see what else. Just thanks for being here. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to help support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.